Need to delete a split layer in your Adobe Express design? Let me show you how it's done in just few taps. First, open the project in Adobe Express. Now tap on the split layout that you want to remove. Once it's selected, look for the delete or trash option in the toolbar and tap it. Your split layout will be gone instantly. If you want to delete the whole layout, just tap on it and look for the delete option in the toolbar and tap it. The whole layout will be gone instantly. If you have added text or images to each part of the split layout, make sure to move them to another area before deleting the layout. Do you use split layouts in your design often? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.